If you click on the link given below, you'll be directed to the quiz page where you'll find all the questions. One by one, you'll have to answer the questions and we'll see who wins. I'll share my screen. I'll repeat the instructions once again. I have sent the link on the chat box. You just have to go to click on the link and go to the quiz page. On the quiz page, you'll find the quiz with 15 questions. There are MCQ questions and true/false questions. Uh, you're given about 20 seconds to 30 seconds per question. Just click on the right answer and move ahead. We'll see at the end who wins. So I see Harman has joined. Sarthak, Rishabh, and Harshit. If there is any issue in joining, you can let me know. Harman, uh, are you able to start the quiz?
Yes, sir.
All right, great, continue. So I see Sarthak has also joined. Harman has also joined. Uh, Harshit and Rishabh, if there's any problem, you can let me know through the chat box. Okay, so I see Harshit has also joined. There are 15 questions to the quiz. Uh, so I think the quiz is going smooth until now. Okay, so Rishabh has also joined. Yeah. So once the quiz ends, I'll just do a demo quiz to show all the right answers and how we came to the right answers, how we achieved the right answers. I'll just wait for all the participants to finish the quiz. So Sarthak is leading the way. Sarthak has 1, 2, 3, 4 incorrect as of now. Uh, Second is Harman, third is Rishabh, and fourth is Harshit. Yeah, so I think Sarthak has completed the quiz with a final score of 7611. He has he has answered 14 questions out of 15. I think he might have left one. So he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 incorrect. So that's a good score. About 53 percentage. Sarthak's percentage is 53. So I think Herman has also finished the quiz with a total percentage of 40%. So we are just left with Rishabh and Harshit. Sarthak and Herman are finished with the quiz. Kindly do not leave the meeting. Just stay put for the others. Harshit is currently on the 9th question. I'll stop share for just a second. Yeah, so I think everybody has finished the quiz. So we have Rishabh. Rishabh has won the quiz with a total score of 8952. Second is Sarthak with a total score of 7611. Third is Harman with a total score of 6344. And the last one is Harshit with a total score of 4551. So congratulations to the winner. I'll just stop share and to present again to do the quiz myself. And I'll show you the right answer. Just a second. I'll just uh, could anybody confirm if this screen is visible? The screen with the quiz?
Yes.
All right, thanks, Arthur. Uh, just a second. Actually, I'll, you know what? Just a second. Take a second. I'll start sharing in just a second. Yeah. No, there's some problem with the screens here. Yeah, I think this it should be visible by now. All right, all right. So I'll start right now. So, yeah. So the quiz starts. Name the smallest planet in our solar system. So, smallest planet in our solar system is Mercury. It's also the closest planet to the sun. Move on to the next question. Celestial ball, a burning ball of fire, is a comet. I had discussed this in the workshop. So it's distinct with a tail and it has a burning ball of fire at its head. That's a comet. It has a cold blue tail and a burning ball of fire as a head. So the next question. Let's move on to the next question. How many natural satellites does Saturn have? So I don't think I remember the correct number, but I think it should be 82. Yeah. So Saturn has the most number of natural satellites in our solar system. It has 82 in number. The second most natural satellites are with Jupiter, which are 79 in number currently. So I'll move on to the next question. Which phenomena explains the birth of the universe? So the birth of the universe is explained by the phenomena of the Big Bang theory. We discussed this in the workshop. Big Bang model, we discussed the standard Big Bang model and the accelerated expansion part. True or false? Light year is a unit of measuring time. So this was a tricky question because light year, as it sounds, it contains year, so it might be mistaken for a unit of time. But light year is actually a measure of distance. The distance, uh, light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. So it should be false. Light year is not a measure of time. I'll move on to the next question. Name the supermassive black hole at the center of Milky Way galaxy. So the supermassive black hole at our center is Sagittarius A star. We also discussed this. Most of these questions are from the workshop. If you've attended it thoroughly, you'll be able to answer them. Nebulae are responsible for the birth of stars. So this question is true. As nebulae are essential for star formation, they start stellar nurseries. And nebulae are also found after the death of stars. So stars die to create more stars. So it's a beautiful phenomenon. I'll move on to the next question. Which of these can escape the black hole after crossing the event horizon? So this was also a tricky question as nothing can escape black hole after crossing the event horizon. The event horizon is the point of no return. So if you're past the event horizon, you're history. So the correct option should be nothing can escape. I'll move on to the next question. What is the name of the galaxy nearest to the Milky Way? So we discussed this. The nearest galaxy to the Milky Way is known as Andromeda galaxy. We are also bound to collision with Andromeda galaxy in about 4 billion years. So it's a spectacular phenomenon. But right now we're slowing down. So the closest galaxy to us, our neighbor galaxy, is the Andromeda galaxy. Move on to the next question. What is the shape of a black hole in 3D? So I discussed this in the workshop as well, and it is quite a common sense question. So we represent black hole as a circle in a 2D plane. Draw a black hole, we see an artistic image. So it's a 2D plane, and we see it as a circle. So what is a circle in 3D? So the answer would be sphere. So the correct option would be spherical, and the incorrect option would be hole or a circle, which was the option to confuse you. Right. So the next question is black holes are formed by the death of Earth. So this was an easy question as we have discussed multiple times that black holes are formed after the death of stars that are much more massive than the sun. So the correct option is a star. And the option could have been we don't know yet because there are many things that are unknown about black holes. Right. So which of these does not happen near a stellar black hole? So this is also a good question because which of these does not happen near a black hole? So the question says does not happen. So we are turned into human noodles. So spaghettification happens. So this part is not correct. You do not experience anything at all. this might be the wrong part. Just let's explore other options. So both A and B, yeah, that does not happen. Oh, I think we ran out of time while discussing. So sorry. The correct option was the D option because we have to choose the incorrect option. Which of the following does not happen near a black hole? We do not experience anything at all. This is the one of the most wrong answers anybody could ever give. Black holes are really, really destructive in nature. So something would definitely happen near a black hole. All right. So 13th question is, if the sun turns into a black hole right now, will we get sucked into it extremely quick? We will get sucked into it extremely quickly. So this is a tricky question because if the sun turns into a black hole, its gravity would remain the same. So even if I should start with the right answer. Uh, yeah. So this is a false statement because if sun turns into a black hole, its gravity won't change. It would have the same mass and will experience the same gravitational force. But what would happen is that will die from the cold. Sun provides us with the extreme all the heat, energy, and light on Earth. So as if there's no sun, there will be no energy, no heat, no light. The temperatures will drop down very very sharply into the negative scale and will die almost uh, instantly with the cold. So I think this is the second last question. The second nearest star to Earth is, we've discussed this also. The second nearest star is Proxima Centauri. The first nearest star to us is the Sun. Second nearest star is Proxima Centauri. The third and fourth options are not related to the question. Uh, the last question was a true false question. The sun will die in a supernova. So this statement is actually false because the sun is a smaller star. To discuss the death of a star that is about the size of the sun is they die as a red giant and then they form nebulas. So the stars which are much more massive than the sun undergo supernova at the time of their death. So this was the question. So if you exclude me, I think Rishabh won. Third was second. So excluding me, first was Rishabh, second was Sarthak, third was Harshit, and fourth was Harman. So congratulations to all the participants and the winners, and thank you for joining. If you have any other questions from pertaining to the workshop or anything else, you can stay to the meeting. Otherwise, you can leave. So thank you for joining.